Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Talisha and I also go by CreativiTeeByT, and today I've got a few things for you. First, I am going to share with you who the winner is for the giveaway of the Fruity Fashion Collection series. I'm super excited to announce that. And then I have some fall fabrics that I picked up for a couple of projects that I plan on sewing up this fall. So I'm going to share that with you. And then after that, I'll just give you a little update of what I've been up to over the past week. But before I get started, I just want to thank everyone that reached out and checked on me and asked me how I was doing, because I had mentioned that I was sick. As you could tell, my voice is still not up to par, but I just appreciate all of the kind words and all the thoughts that came through you all and concerns. So you definitely didn't have to do it, but I am glad you did, and I just appreciate that. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So now we are going to get into the giveaway part of this video. So oh my goodness, I had so much fun with this series, and of course I have the giveaway. That's why we're talking about it now. And so if you do not remember what the giveaway prize is, I will go ahead and insert a clip to refresh your memory. So in this package of goodies, there is a bundle of a 3-yard cut of jersey fruity fabric, which was purchased from Joann Fabrics, that is 54 inches wide. There is a $15 Joann Fabrics gift card. There's also watermelon beach towel hangers that you can always use the next season, but I just thought the watermelon beach towel hangers were super cute. There is a lemon reusable shopping bag that states the zest is yet to come. There is also a sewing travel kit. There are a couple of handmade Fruity Fashion Collection wristlets made by yours truly, which is me. There is a wood wick candle in a fall scent, which is cinnamon, to get you ready for this season. And I absolutely love wood wick candles because the wick is actually made of real wood and it crackles as it burns, and it's just such a relaxing sound. So I believe whoever is the recipient of this gift is going to love it. There is a pattern which is for calls 8050, which is a vest pattern that I have actually made. So it has been tested and approved, and it is wonderful. The size range of this pattern runs from small to extra large, so it should be able to fit anyone who wins this giveaway. And I believe this vest pattern is just very versatile. It's a very good transitional piece and just good for layering. And lastly, there are 2 fruity fabric print fat quarters. Okay, so what I've done is, because I wanted to be fair and I didn't want to just put like names in a hat and draw it out or anything like that, I went online and I found a computer generator name picker, and so I screen recorded the whole process. It was my first time doing that, and I recorded it so that you could see it. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a clip so that you can go through this process with me. All right, everyone, so today is the day where a winner gets picked to win the giveaway from the Fruity Fashion Collection series, and I'm so excited for this. So what I've already done is I have entered all of the names of those who actually entered the giveaway, put the names there, and then I'm going to scroll down where it says pick a random name, and I'm going to click on that tab, and this is going to generate who our winner is. And it looks like it's already done, so I'm going to scroll down to see who the winner is. And the winner is Andra Megs. Congratulations, Andra. You are our winner. So congratulations, Andra of Andra Megs. I am so excited for you to get this prize. Thank you so much for your support, for everyone's support during this series. And what I'll do is, what I prefer, I should say, is leave a message in the comment section below letting me know that you saw the video so that you can redeem your prize, and we can exchange information through direct message so that that information is kept confidential, so that you can receive your package. But thank you so much, everyone. I truly had fun, and this is not the end. I do have some more series up my sleeve coming. I just need to work out all of the details of that, but as soon as I get that all worked out, you will be getting notified. There will be a video coming out on what that will be. But I just thank you all for allowing me to express myself the way that I wanted to express myself during these series, and for the support. You guys rock. You are the best. So again, thank you so much. So now I will share with you some fall fabrics that I picked up for some fall projects that I am planning to make for the fall. So for this first fall fabric, I did not want to get this because it wasn't planned, and I'm trying to be a little bit more, what you say, I'm trying to behave myself, I should say, you know, with my shopping. But I cannot leave this alone, and what sold me on it outside of the colors was you could see this gold inside of this fabric. Let me see if I can get up close. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's like gold within this fabric, and it is so pretty. At first I was gonna pick it up to make button downs for my sons, but then when I saw the gold within the fabric, which is like this strip right here going down, I was like, no, that would be for me. So what I want to make is a shirt dress out of this, a nice fall shirt dress, and take pictures in the woods. I think that would be so pretty with the leaves turning colors and things like that. I just think this would be absolutely beautiful. So yeah, so that's my plan with this. So it's orange, like a burnt orange, and it has green in here and just a little bit of reds. I think it's gonna be super duper nice. So that is my first fall fabric, and that is the plan that I have for that. And I did get that fabric from Hobby Lobby. I also got this fabric from Hobby Lobby that I'm going to show you now. This was on the clearance rack. If it was not on the clearance rack, I don't know that I would have gotten it. But this is more of a silky type, and it is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And with it being a silky type, you would think that it's like too thin for the fall and winter months, but it's actually not. But I just thought this was super pretty, and I think I'm going to use this to make something within my top series that I am working on right now. Now, because this fabric was super duper cheap, I bought a whole lot of it. So this is not the end of this. I will probably make a cami and some other stuff out of this as well, because I think I got 3 yards of it, but definitely want to make a top out of this. And it was on clearance, I think, for about $3, a little over $3 a yard. So yes, this is going to be super pretty. And then the last fabric I got is a fabric that I have never sewn. I've never sewn up this fabric before. So this is going to be a first timer for me, but I picked up this olive green corduroy fabric. It looks a little bit more green. It's on camera than it is, but it's a olive green color. Love it, love it, love it. Green is one of my favorite colors, and I picked that fabric up to make this pattern. This is Vogue 1821, and I picked this up during the last sale that had just gone on. I think it was last week at Joann's, and I just really love this pattern, and I want to make this dress. So at first I picked up the brown color that is on the pattern cover, but because I love green and I already have like some browns, and this olive green color kind of falls within the fall color palette, I just decided to pick this up. So I'm not sure when I'm going to sew this up, but it'll definitely either the end of this month or definitely towards the beginning of next month. But I definitely, I have to have it. I think it's gonna be super, super nice. So I have high expectations for this, and because I really, really love that pattern. And like I said, I picked that pattern up last week along with many, many other patterns, but because my voice is not up to par, I was not able to record my pattern haul. But I will definitely be doing that once my voice is at a point where I can speak for longer periods of a time without my voice going completely out. So yes, that is my plan for this. And so what I've been working on this week, I finished this shirt. This is a top within the top series that I had said I wanted to start off with. And I love it. Oh my goodness, it is so nice. And I have these gaps in my closet, and just to be able to go to the closet now and pick out something like that, I didn't know at first, like, I like it on the model, but I didn't know at first how I would like that drop shoulder look. Love it, love it, love it. So stay tuned to the channel because I'll be showcasing that on Sunday, I believe. And yes, it just turned out really, really nice. So again, stay tuned. And then I cut out the first top for McCall's 7630 that I'm going to be making, and that's View E. I'll just put a picture up in the screen. And so like I had told you before, I'm going to make View E first. So that's all cut out, ready to be sewn up. So I'm hoping that when I show you the shirt that I previously showed you, the Simplicity shirt, I'm hoping I can show you those at the same time. So yes, we are filling these gaps. We're getting these gaps closed. And then, so I have started cutting out the fabric for my son's falls hoodie. And I don't know why I've been so undecisive about the pattern, because first I was going to do a McCall's, then I was going to do Simplicity, and then I decided to go with the Zane hoodie from LA Mac. Purchased that. Now I don't know what made me think about changing it again, but I've changed it again, and now it's this zip it up jacket from LA Mac. So I did print out that PDF, and I got it all taped, and all the pattern pieces are cut out now. Once I cut out the fabric, then I'll trace the pattern pieces so that I can have that size on deck, and then I'll cut down to the youngest toddler's size so that I can cut his fabric out. So that's what I'm working on. And I've also cut out the pattern for the project Dress a Girl Around the World so that I can get those dresses sewn up over the weekend. So yes, I've been a busy girl. Now that I have my health back, I just need to get my voice back. So yes, I should be having those uploads soon for you, so stay tuned to the channel. Well, thank you so much for watching. That's all I have today. If you have not done so already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the gray notification bell button so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much to all of my new and returning subscribers for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.